Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is a litter of standard poodle puppies. There are 2 boys and then 1 girl in this litter still available. They are 16 weeks old, ready to go anytime now. Are up to date on all their health care. The only thing they need yet is a rabies vaccine. They're doing great with their potty training. Let's see, I got the 2 boys here. This one is blue collar boy, and then yellow collar there with the ball in his mouth. And then the girl's a little bit smaller. She's right there with the no collar on her. So we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com, and you can contact us at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on this litter of standard poodle puppies that we have available. And then I'll do some new updates of their pictures as well. So we got the blue collar boy there, and then yellow collar boy with the ball still. And there's the girl. Hey. Let's see if we can get your... Come here. Should we see if we can get your face in the picture? Hi. You want to come say hi? This is blue collar boy. Alright. Oh, did you drop your ball? Did you get your... Oh, someone took off with your ball. That one's yellow. You guys like the ball. Hey, you. Yes. Are you a lovey-dovey? So these are out of our Siobhan and Atticus. You. That's the little girl, and then those are the two brothers. Did you get a toy? You got your ball? What do you got? Huh? What a sweetie, yes. You're gonna be a nice big boys, yes. Here, you want another toy? Here. So check out our website at Rozey K9 Farm, or you can give us a call at 616-892-1993. And then I do have a couple of other litters that are a little bit younger, some black, and then a few browns in another litter that are just a few weeks younger that are also ready to go. Alright, well, we'll say thanks for visiting. Say bye for now. The little girl, and then the 2 boys right here still again. You guys both got the ball there? All right, bye-bye.